Alright, it's about 12:30 and it'll be the first time I'm starting my truck today. It's about 60 degrees outside. It has a rough idle. And I'll go give it some gas. Unless it dies all the way. Has 198,000 miles. It's not the fuel filter. I replace the fuel filter every year. It's got new spark plugs, new wires, clean the throttle body. It's got a new PCV valve. And after just a little bit of warm up, the hesitation will go away. Like it sounds like it's got a cam or something in it. My two suggestions are that it's probably fuel pressure regulator or the fuel pump. And I know the fuel pump's bad because like the tank, the gauge will move. It's a 2000 Silverado. They're notorious for the not reading accurately. But if it was a fuel pump, it wouldn't turn on at all, I wouldn't think. But just after a little bit of warm up, it doesn't act like that. It's the first time it's actually stalled out. Normally it just idles real rough. So, any comments or suggestions, let me know.